In this video, we are going to be talking about primes. So, what are prime? A prime number is that number which no other number can divide it except 1 and itself. Examples of prime are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, etc. So all these numbers are prime because no other number can divide it except 1 and itself. 1 is not a prime number because it has only one factor, that is itself. Prime factors. The prime factors of a number are the factors of the number which are primes. Examples of prime factors are: in 18, you are asked to find the prime factors of 18, which are 2, 3, and 3. In 24, 2, 2, 2, and 3. In 42, 2, 3, and 7. All these are prime factors because 2 is a prime. A prime is those numbers that only 1 and itself can divide it, and they are also factor because all of them can divide 18 without a remainder. So don't bother of how I get this prime. I'm going to teach you how to get the prime factors, how to find the prime factors. If the number is a single number and even number starts with 2, for example, we are asked to find the prime factors of 2. So the prime factors of 2, I'm going to start with 2 because this is an even number, and even number are those numbers that are divisible by 2. So this is an even number, and because I'm going to start with the lowest and closest prime even number, which is 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 divided 2 is 1. So the prime factors of 4 are 2 raised to the power 2. So let's go over to 8. This number here is an even number, so I'm going to start with the closest and the lowest even number, which is 2. What are even numbers? As I said earlier in this video, even number are those numbers which are divisible by 2. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. As you can see, 4 is still an even number, so I'm going to continue using my closest even number, which is 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 divided 2 is 1. So our second example and our second formula is: if the number is a single number, an odd number starts with 3 because 3 is the closest odd number. So what are odd numbers? Odd numbers are those numbers which are not divisible by 2. So we are asked to find the prime factors of 3 and 9. So 2 can't divide because this is an odd number. So our closest odd number is 3. So 3 divided 3 is 1. So the prime factors of 3 is 3. So let's go over to 9. 9, as you can see, 2 can't divide 9 because these are all numbers, they are not divisible by 2. So we're going to use our closest odd number, which is 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So let's move over to more complex examples. Find the prime factors of the following numbers. That's 6, 108, and we have a huge number like this. So how are we going to do it, and how are we going to apply the formula? So in that 6, as you can see, here is our even number. The last number here is our even number. So I'm going to start with our closest even number, which is 2. So that 6 divided by 2 is 18. and 18 divided by 2 is 9. You see, in this 18, I divided 18 with 2 because 8 is divisible by 2, which implies that 8 is an even number. So now we have 9. What are we going to do? So let me clean this thing to enable you to view it more. So now we have 9. What are we going to do? That is 2, 18, 2, 9. Because we're going to apply our second formula. If you have an odd number, start with our closest odd number, and our closest odd number is 3. So 3 divided 3, 3. And because this is also an odd number, so we're going to start with our closest odd number, which is 1. So the prime factors of 36 are 2 raised to the power 2 times 3 raised to the power 2. So let's solve for 108. So here we are going to start with our closest even number, because our large number here is an even number. So 2 divided 108 is 54. As we progress, we still have an even number, so I'm going to continue dividing it with 2. So 2 divided 54 is 27. So 3 divided 27 is 9. I divided there with 27 because there is an odd number. It is not divisible by 2. So let's move over. So 9 divided by 3 is 3, and 3 divided 3 is 1. So let's go over to more complex one. So as you can see in this example, we have more complex number. So here is an even number. Here is an odd number because it's not divisible by 2. So we're going to use our closest odd number, which is 3. So 3 go in this number. We have 1, 7, 3, 2, 5. So because we still have another odd number, so we are going to use 3 again. So 3 in this number, we have 5, 7, 7, 5. So 3 again in this number, because we still have an odd number. We are going to use 1, 9, 2, 5. As you can see, 3, we still have odd number, and 3 can no more divide this number. So we're going to skip 4 because 4 is an even number while we are looking for odd number. So what is our next closest odd number is 5, because 5 is not divisible by 2. So 5 go into this number. We have 3, 8, 5. We still have an odd number, so we're going to continue using 5. 5 again in this number, we have 77. So 5 can no more divide this number, and we have an odd number, so we need to continue using odd number. So what's our next closest odd number is 7. So 7 in 77 is 11. So 11 is 1. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and use the notification bell for more videos like this on Sagacious Learners.